Hello mga kabumi! Ayan, nakauwi na ba ang mga main characters sa probinsya? Ayan, ito working, alipin ng pera. Stay lang sa house. Kasi may sakit tayo, unfortunately. So, but anyways, Christmas would still be Christmas. Tuloy ang Christmas. Tuloy ang laban natin sa buhay. So, sana lahat ay masaya sa Christmas kasama mga family, kasama mga relatives and friends. Ayan, pasensya na, may ubo ko. May ubo pa rin po ako until now and I'm still having my medication kasi talagang lumala na yung ubo ko. Nagka-fever ako 2 days ago. So medyo okay na po tayo today. Pero may konting ubo pa. Ayan, so nag-antibiotic na rin tayo as advised by the doctor, kailangan na ng pahinga. So, laban lang tayo, ganyan. And anyways, pag-usapan na rin natin yung mga lucky color for the next year, ano yung mga dapat gawin and all. At saka, yung the usual na, well anyways, hindi natin pag-uusapan yun kasi the usual naman yung, alam mo yun, yung mga fruits, yung mga dapat ihain, yan, mga prosperity bowl for the new year, yung mga ganong eksena. But whatever it is, lagi natin tatandaan na tayo syempre yung gumagawa ng swerte natin for the whole year. And it's time na din to list or to think of the things that you receive for the whole year. Maliit man yan, malaki. It's still an achievement. It's still a blessing from God. Wow! And speaking of blessing, maraming salamat. Actually, I'm so grateful that though sa panahon ngayon, di ba, parang puro hingi-hingi na yung mga tao na parang, uy, send mo naman ako, Gcash, hingi naman gift, uy, paano naman. Yung alam mo yon and ganun talaga Christmas, but never I have received since last year ng mga gifts for myself na since nung working na ako. Except of course for my agents talaga na lagi nag-share gifts. I'm very thankful. Thank you so much. And since last year, alam niyo ba, nagkatrabaho yung pamangkin ko, naka-receive ako ng mga gift. Last year, he gave me a jacket from Uniqlo. Thank you so much. Sobrang yung parang grateful talaga. Yung very happy when you receive gifts. Kaya thank you so much this year. Siyempre, mayroon ulit tayong gift. At yan ang bubuksan natin today. But before that, I just wanna say thank you for since last year, for like 2 years ago na, my agents, my dear poker angels are actually helping me to collect stickers for the Starbucks merchandise kailangan mo i-collect. So since like 2 years ago, they've been helping me doing that. Kaya naman, this year, hindi nila nakalimutan to help me again. Maraming salamat to my poker angels with the special participation of John de la Cruz na nasa CPCP na ngayon, but still, sorry, nag-contribute pa rin siya ng stickers for the merchandise. For the Starbucks merchandise. And this year, I got this hot tumbler. Ayan. Thank you so much, team. I really love it. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating planner. Okay, thank you so much. Ayan. So, maraming salamat. And of course, bubuksan na natin ang gift na bigay sa atin ng aking pamangkin na si Jubit Charles. Maraming salamat. Ayan. So, bubuksan natin siya today. I'm so excited and so very happy. I just don't know how grateful I am sa pamangkin ko talaga na very thoughtful and very generous. So, ano kaya itong gift na ito? At talagang every year, ginagawa niya, talagang umalis siya. That very day, 24th, nagmumall siya just to buy gift, and then talagang binabalot niya pa. The last Christmas, he actually arrived home like, 8 p.m. mga ganyan na. So, time for church na. And just to buy gifts for everyone. Wow! Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung ano naman this year ang gift na ating mangkin na very, very generous. Ayan. So, ayan. Talagang binalik niya pa from H&M. Wow! I love it! Perfect. So, tignan natin kung ano ito. Ay, wow! Bonggang-bongga naman talaga siya. Wow! Very, very bongga ito. Ang ganda, madam. Ayan. So, ito yung gift ng aking pamangkin sa atin. And I'm so happy to have it. So, ayo nga pala. Speaking of, so this is like, white. It's like beige to white color. But this is my favorite color as what I've mentioned. White to itong mga neutral color. And next year nga pala, ang magiging for the fashion, the color next year is Cloud Dancer. So that actually varies to white, cream, to ganitong color, and milky white, mga ganyang color. So like the color of the clouds, ayan. So meron na tayong isusuot for next year. Ayan, very, very perfect. I love it. Thank you, gang. Appreciate it. And hindi lang yan, meron din tayong gift from Ate Mira. Wow! Oh, see. So, buksan natin to. Do alam ko na ang laman nito kasi nirequest ko to sa kanya. Na I would like to have a gift na wallet naman. Kasi yung wallet ko, pawarak na siya, mga madam. So, I would appreciate na wallet naman ang iregalo niya from ang taray ng hindi ko alam kung saan niya binili, but it's from MacGym. Actually, akala ko nakalimutan niya, but nung Christmas nga binigay niya tong wallet na to, and I believe na dahil sa kanya to galing ay is itong wallet na magiging very maswerte for the next year and the years to come. So, galing siya sa isang very, very good sa ng pera, pagmamanage ng pera. So, it's leather. Very, very good. Thank you so much, Ate. At meron siyang syempre, pampaswerte na ano ba to? Mayroon siyang pampaswerte na 100 pesos. Ayan. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ate. I really appreciate it. And I believe, meron pa palang, ano pala to? Ano ba to? Nakalagay pala to sa wallet. Akala ko $1. Ay, $1,000 pala to. Hindi, wala. So, I have $1 na bill. Ilagay natin dito para lalong maswerte itong wallet na to. Ay, ilagamit ko ilang $1,000 yung mailagay natin dito in the future. Okay, so yun lang mga madams. Maraming salamat. And this is what I got on Christmas Day. Again, I'm very, very happy and very, very thankful. Oo nga pala, just so you know, for the Phantom fashion color is Cloud Dancer, but the lucky color for next year, since it's a fiery horse next year, a year of the horse, ang mga color daw na lucky next year are those na earth colors, and yung very, very calm colors. Like for example, is the best color is yung deep blue, yung medyo parang navy blue siya, parang ganong color, and yung mga teal, ganyan, mga greens, mga earth colors to pacify the very fiery horse next year. So parang maging calm lang yung mga bagay-bagay. Ayan. So yun yung lucky color for next year. But for now, Again, maraming salamat. Sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, mag-subscribe na po kayo. Marami pa po tayong vlogs na gagawin and mga travels na gagawin, especially next year. So, mga kain-kain sa labas or simple things lang like daily vlogs. So, let's go ahead and have that. So, yung mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na po kayo. At sa mga nakapag-subscribe na, maraming salamat. So, lang sa panonood sa ating vlogs. Thank you so much. Please mag-comment naman kayo sa vlog natin mismo. And don't forget to like the video so that we can do more videos like this. Again, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays sa lahat-lahat. And sana maging mas prosperous, mas maging magyaman pa, mas maging maunlad pa ang inyong next year, 2026. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye!